This portion of our set for all the places that are near and dear to us with a song. Speaking of being at home or reminiscing about a place that is very dear to you, this is a song written by Bina Mossman, who is one of Hawaii's most accomplished musicians, band leaders for a time, and also song composers. One of our favorite songs that we actually had the privilege of performing in 2017 at the Kamehameha School Song Contest when we were juniors. Our co-ed arrangement was this song called Ku'u Home Aloha, or my beloved home, or my beautiful home. And Bina Mossman writes this about her home over there among the ko'olos out there in Kaneohe. A beautiful song called Ku'u Home Aloha.
Ooh,
directed many years ago by Bino Mosman, Ku'uho Me Aloha. And just as we're speaking about Kaneohe, we bring the rain over from Kaneohe. Sorry about it.